Guys, Miguel here with a quick video on Klein's flickable folding utility knife with impact driver. This is the Milwaukee Fastback. First one that came out with a nut driver and a reversible screwdriver and Phillips. I think they're made by the same people because they look exactly the same. Even the markings and the way this one goes right here looks exactly the same star screws, and then same over there on the other side. Difference is there's a bit holder right here, and the Milwaukee Fastback has a bottle opener. This one is a number 2 Phillips, and then a 1/4-inch nut driver. Doesn't say anything about a screwdriver, but flathead. It's got a wire stripping notch, and the clip looks a lot better than the Milwaukee, but very similar tool. -1 on the flathead unless it has it. I'm not gonna buy it because I already have the Milwaukee Fastback, and I kind of really like it, but they do look like they're made by the same person or by the same manufacturer. That's just a comparison video. Hope this is helpful, and just an FYI, this is at Lowe's.